na game and they see that game I don't say they sure. If they sure with the product, me I know it now they talk, I know it now they capricon. See, if I lie, me what tell go come off my head, pass the game.
Now so you go they talk rubbish go they come from your mouth. Eh? See the kind of nonsense game where you lie here where you won't play. Eh? I tell you see this game where you won't play, nothing. You go talk, see if this game enter, make my mama slap me from village.
You just talk anyhow. You dey wish am bad luck. You know say some guys wey dey talk, they happen real life. No, I don't shock you. This one don't play. Yeah. I better book that game.
Yeah, see. Which day will begin that kind of play? Eh? Which day will start that kind of play where you go to slap me like that? Now if you try that thing again, let me. I play my game.
You want to fight me?
Play my game now. Play my game. See, man, tell you something. Me, I don't say one next bet. Sure. They don't disappoint. See, your mind go there when I go the cash out. I cash out. See, I'll carry like.
Okay, call your game for me because.
Give Baka to beat Arsenal.
Baka to beat Arsenal.
Then man, you go lose 9-0. Rashford go get red card.
Now you won't play the game. Now you.
Agidigba, play my game. Play my game. See, Rashford go miss penalty safe.
Make her play all of them like that.
Play am.
Why you go talk all those things on mine now?
And you don't know the way you know they inform.
Get personal grudge. Get personal grudge.
Play my game, Agidigba.
Agidigba.
I want to play game.
You want to play game?
Play my game.
Oyibo.
Agidigba, what did they happen now? Play game for me. What did they worry you?
Oyibo, this game be like this game where these boys just these niggas just gone.
I don't understand. Agidigba, she na one person they play game.
Sorry.
Play game for me. They tell me say play Barca. Go beat this thing.
How much? How much?
Eh?
How much? How much?
Wait a bit now.
Waiting be this. Waiting be this. Waiting be this. No, waiting be this. Ah. Come on, let me alone. I don't tell you, say make you know they touch me. This. I don't know if I have to call you faggot. No, don't touch me. Don't touch me.
Hey, hey, Oyibo. If you fall my shade, you don't go like am.
Pablo, I don't want you. I go bite your teeth.
Oh God!
You go play Barcelona to win Arsenal. The Arsenal play.
Okay. See. I'm back on. I'm back on. What do you want?
Okay, you want to buy hot corn?
Yes.
Hi. Yeah, I'm not going to get hot corn for here now. Hot yam and rice I get hot yam and rice. You go come here, you go take your time. See as you be. You be like I been a green fever, I been a yellow fever self.
You be like person that come for the grave.
Hey!
You know they see one expert. Come on.
Yeah, it's just the pass slap you. Come over here.
You guys should leave him alone now. I love your outfit.
Come down. See.
Hey, hey.
Bia, come. Eh?
Huh?
If you don't have knowledge of something, you ask. You cannot come to somewhere like this and you are looking for boiled corn, red corn. Eh? You come here, you see say 1xbet here everywhere. You go at
everything.
1xbet.
Wow.
You never heard of 1xbet before?
No.
Ha! In this guy you dey slack o. 1xbet na be the best and most reliable betting platform. FC Barcelona na their official partner. And na them be the official sponsors to African Cup of Nations. I dey tell you the truth, what you go just do, now you know say registration day for free. What you go just do now make you use the promo code T-Shop. If you use that promo code T-Shop, you go come deposit your first deposit. Anything when you deposit that first time, they go multiply it by 200%. That if you put something like $100, they go give you like if you put something like 1K, that is they will give you 2K on top, making it 3K. And you don't finish they still get this new promo where they do they call hyper bonus.
Hyper bonus.
That hyper bonus they win gadgets for that side. Gadgets. Something like a phone. You know somebody like you now we never see.
A laptop.
Somebody like you we never see. We never see them before.
See. I want bet.
1xBet is the best and most reliable betting platform. You can register now for free, and your first deposit will be increased on 200% bonus using the promo code TSHOW. Hurry down now to our website www.1xbet.ng using the promo code TSHOW. Trust us, bet and win with 1xBet.
I want bet.
You want bet?
Yes, my
I dey serious. I won't bet.
If you dey serious like this, you gonna make money.
See. I get 15 naira. So you go bet 20 naira to win 5 million. So this money na my last card. Now, move fast take.
Make I bet 20 naira.
Yes.
To win 5 million.
Oh, see. If you make 20 naira to win 6 million, so that I'll give you. Some more money.
Okay, that is a plan. I can't give you change like a 30 naira or 20 naira.
See, that naira in that bike. With the money, when you go back.
And you go use the 30 naira carry the million. Wise. Don't pay, Pablo. I beg, make me help me. Come on, this madman. Come on. Guys, you keep doing so like waiting and all.
No. What I go buy is
If that one African.
Baba Aladi, Baba Aladi, hey, Baba. Hey, Baba, this one when you dey happy today.
You don't see me buy.
Who you be say? Who na be? When I calm down, I mean I don't cash out. Now they find game whenever I move.
Baba Aladi.
Na me be that.
2.2 million. Just like, hey!
Na me be that.
Baba Aladi.
How far now?
You see why I say make you come dey do 1x bet.
Forget that one.
You see why I say make you come dey do 1x bet.
That's my life better.
Baba Alade.
Hey, darling. Listen, right? Now I know why they call you Daddy. Huh? Baba. Come here, let me teach you one of the things. I can see that your future is bright and I can make it brighter.
Future my prayer or no prayer. Future my future bright. I don't understand the future we talk about too. You understand? Make I tell you. As if for this money this friend. Now be the man I think. You understand? See my guy for there. Take your cash out. So I don't know the future where you dey see. I never sure.
I go plan.
4 plots. Come on, your hand. Don't distract me from making my plans. 4 plots for me, my mommy. Yeah.
I'm saying, listen, you have a plot for the parents like a plot.
Come on, rubbish. Leave her for me.
Baba is there.
Next time when you try this nonsense with my boss, I go clear your fuck up. Look up. Give that. No verse. Look up too.
Why Alade here? Give me my cap, eh?
Because I small money when they win, no.
You see now?
No, I'm.
Agriba, check my game for me, make I know which I play, I beg.
Make I check your game for
Since
you.
you just dey waste my time.
I dey think say this man go play. I dey tell you, I dey think say this guy play again. Agriba. Change that game. I say Baka go win Arsenal. Change am. Arsenal go win Baka. Na mistake I do. I tell you say, if Arsenal to beat Baka, you no gree. They say change am.
See, that game go cut. If you plan like that,
Change
it must
am.
cut.
I tell you, I don't tell you say you go call.
Sorry, change am.
Sorry,
Sorry.
change am,
That
change
shot
am,
go
abeg.
score tick. Change am.
No cap.